I think the possibility of infinite universes is an idea worth having in your toolkit because A, it naturally emerges from a variety of ideas, from the inflationary theory to the many worlds interpretation of quantum mechanics, so it may be true. And if it is true, it completely changes the landscape of reality. And so for me to sit here and imagine there might be a copy of me out there in the cosmos. If the universe is infinitely big, then you can pretty much prove mathematically that there'd be infinite copies of us out there, one after another, sometimes having exactly the same conversations, sometimes having slightly different conversations. That's a crazy idea.
But is it the idea or theory, real theory?
You can absolutely talk about this idea seriously if you're willing to make an assumption. And that assumption, you should realize, could be wrong. The assumption is, does space go on infinitely far? Or could it be that you go out sufficiently distant and you maybe circle back to your starting point, as would happen on the surface of the Earth? We don't know the answer, but under the assumption that space goes on infinitely far, you can argue convincingly with mathematics that there would be copies of us out there.